Hey guys, welcome back to Guide Glimpse. For today's tutorial, let me show you how to airdrop photos from iPhone to another iPhone. Let's start this tutorial by opening the Photos app. Next, navigate to the photos that you want to share. For example, let's choose this one. Now, if you want to select multiple photos, tap on the select button at the top and then tap all the photos that you want. Once you're done selecting the photos, tap on the share button below. Now in the pop-up window, tap on the airdrop option. And here, it will show you all the people nearby that are available where you can share the photos. Make sure that the airdrop of another iPhone is turned on so it will be detected. Now choose the airdrop user that you want and then simply tap their profile and it will be shared. That's it. Once again, thank you for watching. This has been Guide Glimpse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more how-to videos.